How to change draft order in ESPN Fantasy. Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the draft order in ESPN Fantasy. ESPN recently updated their app, making it much easier to manage your leagues. So let's dive right in. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your device. Once the app is loaded, select the sport you're playing. For this example, I'll be using football, so tap on football, then select the league where you want to change the draft order. In the top right corner, tap on League, then scroll down until you find League Manager Tools and tap on it. Now, tap on Draft Settings, and this is where you can make changes to your draft order. You'll see the draft order list. On the far right, you'll notice three little lines next to each team's name. Tap and hold on those lines, then drag the team to the desired position in the draft order. Once you've arranged the teams in the order you want, tap Save in the top right corner to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the draft order in your ESPN Fantasy League. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.